Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss a new topic called job sequencing with deadlines or assignment problem. This topic is very important under branch and bound concept. There are three types in branch and bound. One is job sequencing with deadlines, knapsack and traveling salesman problem. In these three, 100% one question will be appear in the examination. This is very important topic for the examination point of view. Yes, the problem is job sequencing with deadlines. This problem can be solved using which method? Branch and bound method. Which method? This can be solved by using a branch and bound method. Even this problem can be solved using greedy method and dynamic programming. But let us learn how it can be solved using branch and bound method. But one thing, you should remember that branch and bound is useful for solving. It is useful for solving minimization problem. It cannot be. It is useful for me solving minimization problem. It cannot be solved maximization. If you know something about job sequencing with deadline, it is maximization problem like profit are given for this job so that you want to maximize the profit. So we have to convert the problem. So we have to convert the problem. Instead of profit, we are taking penalty here. Instead of profit, we have to taking penalty. If you take profit, means we have to use maximize value, but we are taking a penalty, so we are getting a minimization value. Penalty means we have to pay, will not gain. You have to pay, will not gain. We will lose also. So instead of profit, we are calling as a penalty. So now the problem is select the jobs. We have to select the jobs. There are 4 jobs and finish them within their deadline period time. 1, 3, 2, 1. So now if you minimize the penalty means automatically the profit is maximum. Correct, right? If you minimize this penalty, then profit is obviously it will be maximized. So just name you have changed. Instead of profit, we have to change the name penalty. Yes. Now we'll discuss how to solve this problem using job sequencing with deadlines. Listen carefully. This is very important topic. First, there are 4 jobs. We have to use branch and bound method, and also we have to start with breadth first search method. So we have to use, this is job first. This is first thing. Next is 2. This is job 1. Clear? Now we have to tell the cost. There are 2 types. 1, U indicates upper. This is a penalty. Sum of all penalty except that included in the solution. This is U. C means sum of penalty till the last job considered. This is cost. So now we'll tell the cost value. C is equal to, see here, job 1 we are taking. This is job 1. First row is job 1. First column is job 1. Job 2, job 3, job 4. So job 1, there is no previous. There is no skipping in this job 1. Directly we have to take. There is no skipping. If you take job 2, we are skipping job 1, right? But job 1, there is no skipping. Initially we have to put 0. Clear? Initially we have to put 0 because we are taking job 1. In previous there is no job. Only 0 is there. See here. If you take job 1 means there is no thing in this previous. No, there is no skipping of the elements. So we have to, initially we have to put cost is 0. Next, what is the value of upper? U is equal to, so remaining job 1 we are taking, remaining will be how much? 10, 6, 3. How much? 10 plus 6 plus 3 is equal to 19. Before going to start this problem, we'll take here infinity to cancel this. This is the highest maximum. You have to go for minimization problem. Now upper will be, the value is 19. Though infinity is less than 19, right? So caught this infinity and put 19 here. This is minimized compared to infinity. Next, this completes. Next, go for job 1. After that, job 2. This is job 2. 3. Now what is the cost? C is equal to, job 2 is this one. and remaining previous is how much cost? How much cost? 5. This is penalty. We are checking penalty. This is job 2 we are doing. Only we have to see this row only, not this 2. Only we have to observe this one, first one. So job 2 we are taking and remaining will be the 5. Previous one is 5. So cost is 5. What is the upper value? Upper value. What is the upper value? Job 2 we are taking. Job 2 taking means we have to upper value will be remaining thing. Exclude job 2. 5 plus 6 plus 3 is the 5 plus 6 plus 3. How much? 5 plus 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 3. This is 14. 5 plus 6 plus 3 is 14. 19 is less than 14, right? So we have to call this one 14 we have to put. Clear? Next, go for job 3. This is 4. Now, what is the cost? What is the cost of job 4? Sorry, job 3. This is job 3. Remaining will be 10 and 5. Correct? 10 plus 5 how much? 15. We can't go for upper because this is cost is 15. Here 15 is maximized, right? Compared to 14, 15 is more. We can't cut and we have to, you can't put 15. So we have to kill this node. We can't do this one. Remove this one. Next, go for last job, J4. This is 5. Clear? Next, we have to find out cost also. Job 4 means job 4. Remaining will be the 5 plus 10 plus 6. How much? 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. Cost is 21. Check here. 14 is minimum. Cost is 21. We can't put 21 here. We have to kill this node also. This is first step is over. Next, come to second step. After job 1, remaining thing will be there. This is job 2. This is job 3. This is job 4. Correct? After 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we have to check the value of cost. Cost is job 1 and job 2. What is the cost? Job 1 and job 2. Job 1 and job 2 we have simultaneously we have to take. See here, job 1 and job 2 we have to take simultaneously. And previous there is no, correct? First we have to take job 1 in first step. So previous no one is there. Now we have to take both at a time. So previous also no there. It initially only 0 only. Next, upper will be job 1 and job 2. We are taken job 1 and job 2. Remaining will be 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3, 9. So, 9 is minimum. So, cut this one and put 9. Next, job 3. Job 3. Job 1 and job 3. Job 1 and job 3. What is the cost? What is the cost? Cost is 10. Job 1 and job 3 we are taking. This is job 1 and job 3. So, cost is 10. So, compare here. 10 is maximized. So, we have to kill this node. We can't put here. Next, come for job 4. Job 4 means we have to take job 1 and job 4. Job 1 and job 4. And 10 plus 6. How much cost is? 16. 10 plus 6 is 16. This is also can't put because this is maximum. Kill this node. Clear? This is very important topic. Next, after this one, come for this one. Only this one is remaining. This is already killed. This is 9. This is 10. Clear? Job 2. This is job 3 and remaining will be job 4. Clear? Job 2 is job 2, job 3 we have to check. Job 2 and job 3. What is the remaining cost will be? C is 5. Job 2, job 3 we are taken. Remaining will be 5. What is the upper bound? See here. Job 2, job 3 we take. 5 plus 3 is how much? 5 plus 3 is 8. So we have to cut this one. We have to put 8 here. Next, job 4. No, job 4 means job 2 and job 4. Job 2, job 4. What is the cost? 5 plus 6. Cost is 11. No, we can't put this. We have to kill this now. After this, next go for this one. This procedure is very lengthy. To avoid this procedure, we will tell some method to finalize the answer. So, see here. Now we have to go for job 2 after job 2. This is job 3. This is job 4. So, after 10, 11, 12. Correct. And this is remaining thing. This is job 4. This is 13. Only 3 is remaining. How to finalize? So here job 1, job 2, job 3. Correct. So job 1, job 2, this is job 3. What is the deadline? 1, 3, 2. 1, 3, 2. See here 1, 3, 2. Job 1 is 1 deadline, job 3 is job 2 is 3 deadline, job 3 is 2 deadline. So what is the time? 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. Now we have to finish the deadline in a 3 hours. Job 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours. See here 1 plus 2 how much? 3 hours only. Within job 2 only it will complete the 3 hours. We not necessary to do job 3rd. So we have to kill this node. We can't do this one. Clear? Similarly job 1, job 2, job 4. Similarly this is also we can't do this one. We have to stop here only. And final job 2, another one is here. Job 2, job 3 and job 4. See here job 2, job 3, job 4. This is job 2, job 3, job 4, right? 3, 2, 1. Sorry, job 2, job 3, job 4. 3, 2, 1. So what is the time? 2, 1, 1. This is deadline. This is time. So 2 plus 1 how much? 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is also will complete within a 3 hours time. So we have to stop here. Now final thing what you have learned is how to minimize the job sequencing using a penalty method. So the final cost is 5 and penalty will be the 8. So these are the minimization value. So final answer you have to put is job 2, this is job 2, job 3 and job 4. So cost 5 is the value and upper will be the 8. C is equal to 5 and U is equal to 8. This is the final answer. So these are all for the today's class. This is very important topic. All of you please listen this video, and this is very important for examination point of view. It will appear for 8 to 10 marks question. So you have to, after this session, please see this video and learn how to solve this method. And tomorrow class I will discuss about 0-1 abstracting using branch and bound method. So these are all for the today's class. For more updates, please subscribe my channel. Thank you one and all for listening this video.